Hey guys, today I have a super quick and cute tier tray idea for you. So my grandma closed down her craft store a few years back and she's been sending me these little magazines and lots of goodies. I know it's hard to see, but they're like little wooden pieces and it's got some raffia in there and tiny little figures with toothpicks. Sorry about the glare. I don't have any of those wood pieces, so I'm taking these little cauldrons I got from Dollar Tree a year ago. And here's all the goodies my grandma sent me, little tiny Halloween pieces. And we're going to create something cute. She's been very generous to me and I appreciate it so much. So I'm going to take some linen white chalk paint. Sorry, not linen. Rust-Oleum white chalk paint. I'm just going to paint this. I only give it one coat. I think it was one coat. Or maybe two. No, it was two. Yeah. I didn't want it didn't have to be perfect, because it's supposed to be Halloween and spooky. Now you can do this with a little tiny bucket or one of those little tiny planters. Just look around your house and see what you got. Now I painted some toothpicks to coordinate with the little pieces that I'm going to use. And we're going to take some notebook paper and we're going to ball it up real good, small enough to fit in the hole. And we're going to add some hot glue and stick it in there to make sure it's nice and secure. That way it don't come popping up. And this is so easy. Anybody can do this. I love these old magazines she sends me. There's so many cute ideas. I love anything vintage and retro, so cute ideas. Now here's some shredded paper that came out of a $10 grab box from Michael's. I think I got 2 bags of that. It's just white shredded paper. And we're going to add that in there, kind of like a raffia. I do have raffia, but I just wanted to use some of this white paper. I thought that'd be different and pretty. It's like that crinkled up paper. But what you could also do is just get you some like computer paper and then just shred that up. I don't have a shredder, but that's just an idea to save money. Now we're going to take some of that paper. I cut some in half and then I'm just putting some hot glue on there. And then we're going to stick it on top of the notebook paper. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this cute little idea. And think about it. You can do any season, any holiday, anything you want. Think about how cute that would be for like little bunny popping out and little eggs for Easter. So many ideas. Sky's the limit, guys. Now here's one of our white toothpicks. And we're going to coordinate it with our white ghost. Yeah, I didn't like how much paper was sticking up, so I'm just trimming that off a little bit. And then we're just going to hot glue our toothpick to the back. And I'm going to do that for all my little pieces. I got a bat, 2 ghosts, a cat, and a witch. Now we're just going to write spooky on our little cauldron here. And if you have shaky hands like me, it's totally fine, definitely on this project, because it just makes it look more spooky. If it's a little wavy or wiggly and you know what I mean? Doesn't have to be perfect. So we're going to get our little pieces and we're going to start hot gluing them in. So we're going to add our little witch first. See how she's got an orange toothpick to coordinate with her. And she's going to go in the front. Y'all, this would even be cute for a little kid's craft. I might see if I can get Chandler to do it with me. The other two, they don't really care about crafting, but Chandler likes it every once in a while. There's our little black cat with his little orange tie. He's so cute. And then we got a tiny ghost, which I'm going to trim down because I want him a little bit lower than the other. And he's actually made of foam. The rest of the pieces are wood, and he's actually a little foam piece. She sent me a ton of these little things. So I'm very grateful for that. Every so often she sends me boxes of goodies that came from her store, her stash, and boy does she have a lot. Now we're going to add our bat. I think it would be so cute to do like a little pumpkin patch. That'd be cute. Now we're going to add a little bow that also came with the stuff that she sent me. I thought this would be cute colors. Offset a lot of that white, you know what I mean? And then I had a little foam pumpkin that she sent me, and we're going to add that to the front. And then it's all complete. It's so easy, so cute. Perfect for a tier tray. See, I was seeing it the Frankenstein. I was like, nah, Frankenstein don't look no good. So I eventually went with the little pumpkin. There he is. And I have never seen a foam pumpkin bead, but that's what that was. Like, you see the hole in it? A lot of her stuff that she sent me, it's a lot of older stuff. Like little kits from back in the day that you can't find anymore. So it's really cool. And here it is. Fun, quick, cute little idea for adults or kids. Guys, I hope you really enjoyed this quick little tutorial. I hope you guys have a good weekend. And I will talk to you later. Bye, y'all.